Hi, my name is Dominick Lee, avid inventor, programmer, and CEO of GyroPalm. Today we're here at the Purdue Smart Manufacturing Lab, and it's my pleasure to share with you our two OmniBot V2s. These are very powerful autonomous mobile robots that are not only able to carry up to 250 pounds, but are also gesture controlled. So we can control these with the GyroPalm Encore or the GyroPalm Spectrum kits. Let me demonstrate. So all we have to do is double snap, and these robots come to life. And so we could use this to do slam mapping, autonomous navigation, and various different actions in various different facilities. As you can see, all I have to do is put my hands down, and now we have completely stopped the robots, and I can do anything afterwards. This robot can be controlled with the GyroPalm Encore wearable or with the GyroPalm Spectrum. Our patented award-winning technology enables us to control robotics hands-free from anytime, anywhere. And this is the world's only AMR robot that enables users to train, slam map, and do research all on the fly with the GyroPalm Spectrum and GyroPalm VinPact technology. This is also the only OmniBot that enables you to do slam mapping purely with gesture control. And with single point gestures, such as our one-shot gesture machine learning, you could command robots to go anywhere within your facility to very specific waypoints just with gestures. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the freeform driving here. All you have to do is take a look at the wearable and do a double snap and pull. So as you can see, the robot is driving. It is able to navigate throughout the building. And as you can see here, completely hands-free gesture control. Able to carry 250 pounds of payload, this robot has an inbuilt lidar and ROS2 navigation as well. So once I'm done driving the robot, I could simply put my hand down to stop the robot. I could use my hands for other functions, such as removing items from machines and so forth. We're proud to say that GyroPalm Spectrum is the world's first wearable fleet management hardware. And also, in addition to that, it's one that enables you to go near robots and control them. For example, I can regain control simply by looking at the wearable, just like this, and double snapping and pulling forward again. So now I've regained access and control to this robot. And with very subtle gestures, I'm able to precisely control this robot and drive it throughout the building.